Welcome back, and in less than a week I'm actually going to be racing at Grit Life at Summit Point, and I have so much things to do to the STI that is not even funny. But today I'm actually going to be putting some new wheels that you guys haven't really seen. So I actually had these wheels for a while now, but I really haven't been using it. I actually used it once for track cross last year, and ever since I've actually taken them off, and they've been actually sitting on my little tire rack over there. And now that Grit Life is just around the corner, I need to pretty much get my car completely ready just to get on the trailer, get there, and then that's it. No switching of tires or anything like that. So the wheels that I have actually right now on the car is a Motegi Traklite. They're like bronze color, and they are wrapped with Federal RSRs, and they are all right. But I feel like I didn't have enough grip that I needed at the track, and I was losing grip. And it's been there for almost a year. Actually went through the whole year of racing season. And I'm actually excited to use my new wheels because they're actually way better tires that I have on them, which are the Bridgestones, the R71s. Now these are my new wheels. They're not exactly new. They're actually used, and thanks to my buddy, he's the one that hooked me up with these wheels. These are the Mach V Wicked Awesome. They are like it's like a gunmetal black or something like that. It's not entirely all black, but it is dark color, and they actually look really nice. There are 18 by 9.5, which are wider than my actual current wheels, which are 18 by 8. And I'm wrapped with RE71s, 255s, 35s, 18, and those are 245s, 40, 18. So now I have more rubber than here. I can't go any bigger than this because of the category that I'm running in, Global Time Attack and Grit Life. So these are the wheels that you guys are going to be seeing for this year, and hopefully this is the rubber that is going to get me better times this year. Hopefully, that's my hope. So right now what I need to do is take my wheels off and start slapping this on. Before I start slapping these on, I have to change my brake pads from the front. I have stock brake pads. I'm gonna put my racing brake pads on so I don't have to do anything for next weekend. So if you guys are actually thinking of tracking your car, I want to give you a couple little wheel tips real quick. So right here I got my Motegi wheels. I got the center cap here. These were the ones that I had on my rear ones, and I switching up to the front because their front ones they're getting pretty, the tires are getting pretty wasted here. But now I want to show you this right here, and comparing to my new wheels, I have no center caps on none of my wheels. The reason why is because when you go on the track, the brakes get so hot, and this being plastic, this actually melts. Well, not melts, but it kind of because it's plastic, it kind of melts. I don't know if you guys could see a little bit right there. It's kind of like inside a little bit. It's kind of a little bit warped, and I don't think I've used these ones for the front like that, but I know my back ones, they got so bad that I had to actually take them off because it's basically kind of melted itself there. So I don't have no center caps on the back. I have no center caps on for the wheels. I do have center caps, but they're not gonna be on ever. Also, very important, you see right here, these are the wheel weights. This is very much recommended to put aluminum tape on it to actually hold the weights in place, because when the wheel gets really hot, the glue of the little weights, they're gonna start falling off, and then you're gonna have your whole wheel is gonna get off balance. So the same thing I've had over here. So I got one weight there, and I have my little aluminum tape here, and that's pretty much, yeah, it's one here, and then like two in the back weights. So this is to prevent the wheel weights to actually fall off with the heat. They lose their grip, they lose their glue, and then they fall off. Then you start hearing little weights kind of falling down after you finish your run, or they're flying off the track. So you see here, I have a bunch of weights here because of this wheel. Wow, it's a lot of weights. Look at that. I guess this wheel is pretty warped or something. I don't know, but yeah, very important to do that when you go racing. Usually happens mostly to the front. The rear ones kind of hold itself more longer, but I put aluminum tape on my wheel weights on all 4 wheels to actually prevent that. All right, the wheels are installed right now. Let me show you how they actually look really good. So the car is still in jack stands, so that is one wheel there for the back. As you guys can see, I always forget the actual offset of these wheels, but they are actually pretty flush with the fenders. I have aggressive camber in the front, and then the top part kind of tucks in, but you can see the lower part of the wheel kind of poking out. They're nice and wide. Let me try to show you from the back so you can see. They are pretty nice and wide. So now it looks like it has a lot more meat than my other 18x8s, which was kind of sad looking. And then this is the side right here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. My other wheels are back into their little tire rack right there. There is a wheel right somewhere, I don't know which one it is. It has a really bad wear, and it was because, and I think it's this one right here. You can see a little bit of wear here and a little bit of wear there. That was from, you know, the whole year of track, and this one looks really good. And I think these 2 are the best ones. These were the ones we're in the front. This one, like kind of in the middle, has some wear to it, and it was because at New Jersey it has a lot of big dips, like a little like uphills and downhills, and I guess the wheel, I was a little low. The wheel was actually rubbing inside the metal part of the wheel, and that's why I lost my fender liners on actually both sides. And I think it's this one, if you kind of see, it's a little bit it seems like it's like the wear is like right in the middle. I don't see it in none of the other ones. But yeah, but pretty soon I should be I'm planning to get different Motegi wheels, the same ones, Traklite, but satin black, and of course they sell 18x9s, and then the offset is like I forgot, 30 something, 32 maybe, or something like that, and which should be flush with the fenders. And I actually want to get them for the, oh, I don't have the WRX right now. For the WRX, not these ones. I'm probably going to end up selling these ones with the tires later on. I still kind of need, because I like daily wheels. I don't want to, you know, I don't really daily the STI, but I want to take it to, like, you know, like meets and car shows, something like that, that is close by, where I don't have to, you know, put it on the trailer, because, you know, it's a pain in the ass to bring trailer from wherever I have it to, you know, get it up the trailer, down the trailer, all that stuff. And I don't have a spot to actually park the trailer in my neighborhood. I used to, but you know, they complain a lot. So I'm gonna be saying something that you guys are not gonna be happy. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see it dropped and kind of see how it stands, like outside when it's completely dropped with the bumper and everything. But I am not going to be dropping the car yet. I still have some work to do, mainly the splitter, the rear diffuser, all that stuff, and I still need to leave the car this way. So what you guys can do, if you guys will like to see the wheels, how it looks on the car when the car is actually dropped and everything, just subscribe and just pay attention to the next videos, because as soon as I'm done with the whole car, it's going to be dropped and everything, because Grit Life is in 1 week left, so I have a lot of stuff that I need to do. So sorry guys, just stay tuned for the next videos. Whenever I drop it, clean it, because the car really needs to clean. It's pretty bad. It's a lot of pollen, and look at that. That's really bad. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, like this video, and just wait for the videos that are coming up and during this week or maybe next week or sometime whenever I actually have time. So sorry about that, but stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the next one.